Hi guys, it's
Stone Station anyway.
Canada. That's definitely new.
Nicer as well.
Yeah. And this one bangs a little bit. That one over there. Anyways, time 1948, Saturday 26th September 2015. And this is for a slightly delayed 1942. 1 Hotel 02, Reading Range, West Texas, from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
Why it's called Stone Station Crossing Night? I like at night time.
Yeah, it is basically night. And also you can tell it's night by if you look at the lights through the camera, how bright is it through them? Yeah, you can call that night. Might show up a lot worse.
Show us a lot of cameras. Like filming.
I'm not bothered.
That's filmed off Joe's phone. That clack's been also below crossing, if you've seen. I filmed off Joe's phone for him. And also my camera.
Right, what happened with Joe?
Basically, we only filmed once, we wanted both sides to be caught. So I filmed off his phone.
Okay. I'm guessing there's only one train and there wasn't another for a long time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you seen that video while I was filming for Joe?
Yeah. Have you guys your...
There's one light there, behind the barriers. A little bit of dents. Apart from that, these barriers are perfect. And also, look how half the ground they are. Literally, I could bowl under that if I was tempted to.
And then it's now. I think. It also stays down longer. That's good. Here she is. Anyway, we have. It's going slow at least.
390.011. 390.011 that was. 390.011 to Manchester Piccadilly. Next stop is Stoke-on-Trent. Up they go.
This is a non-Macclesfield service.
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.